I've had it officially. What's the tea, everybody? Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Deluxe Detox, Elaina for short, or Elaina Glam. That's here on Mondays and Wednesdays, but today's Friday. That means Fridays are a drag. In this video, we're doing the detox look, and I'm just like having fun with it right now. So if you guys are interested to see how I did this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new stuff I upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live some Mondays. So follow me on social media, all the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this fabulous tutorial. Hey, Hennies. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this worn out t-shirt with stains on it, this is the only t-shirt that my cat would feed on. Ali likes to nurse in this, so just in case he wants to come over in his nursing time. I'm a crazy cat lady, I'm telling you. Anyway, in case he needs to come over during filming, I'm ready. So somebody did comment that I looked like Detox more than I look like Alice Edwards when I did the Alice Edwards makeup. I'm like, well, I might as well attempt the Detox makeup. So I watched a couple of videos of Detox. She doesn't have a lot of tutorials. There is one tutorial like 6 years ago, and she was doing her makeup differently. And looks like she does her eyes first. At least in some videos on Instagram, she did like a live or something. So let's do the eyes first. So first I'm gonna map out the eyebrows. She's got pretty arched eyebrows. Kind of very similar to Alice Edwards. I guess I see why people said that. So I'm gonna start with the lighter color. By the way, her eyebrows are all different colors in different pictures, depending on the look. In some pictures they're lighter, in some pictures they're darker. I'm going with a recent picture from a drag con. You know, it's a shame I didn't see her. I missed Detox. I was so busy with other things at DragCon. Next year I'm gonna go see everyone. So she did this promo look for DragCon LA. She looks like a nurse outfit. I'm gonna insert it here. So we're gonna start with the Beauty Bay white base. I like to use white base a lot, not just for drag. All the colors always pop. It's very flattering. So we're going to start with the Alexa Stone palette, because why not? Since they have such bodies, and I love Alexa Stone as well, so we're gonna go with this chapter 1. And I'm gonna go with the theme of reds, like in that picture, but I want to make it a little more dramatic, like our old Detox style with like more blown out black, maybe? I'll see. I'll just go with the flow. So Endorphin, Sensory. I'm going to blend this into Euphoric, a little bit of iodine to make sure it's red and not pink, and maybe a little bit of feral. I can never pronounce it correctly. And maybe a little bit of white, Stability. See, I'm panning white. White is always the one to go, the first one, and the black too, obviously. Okay. So I'm gonna take a small brush. This is kind of a double crease going on, like one here and one here. The one I don't like. I have particular taste. There's some trends that pop up that I just dislike, and I'm like, I don't like it, I will not do it. But she's got it, so why not? Then I'm taking a bigger brush. I'm gonna go to Euphoric. Maybe a little bit of iodine and Stability. It's a pretty simple look, so I wonder how much of a similarity I can achieve. Now adding this white here on the eyebrow. So now we're going to set the white. I just got the crease, very basic cut crease, and I'm gonna use the same white. So we're going to start adding the darkness. Now she does a lot of black in the waterline. We're going to cheat this a little bit, because Detox naturally as a boy, he has very downward eyes, like the corners a little down. So I'm gonna put the light here and the dark here to make it appear a little bit turned down, because my eyes are the opposite. Okay, so we're going to use the Beauty Bay because that's the ones I just got my hands on. Beauty Bay pencil. So I'll put the light one here. And now we're gonna start it in the black. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. The same Beauty Bay pen. So I'm gonna do the inner corner. And I'm going to bring it down a little lower. And I'm going to tight line as well. So I'm going to start with the inner corner and put some eyeliner here. Just any pen eyeliner. I'm gonna put a BH eyeliner. And this is very sloppy because we're gonna smoke it out a lot, so it doesn't matter how even it is. Edit black on a fluffy brush first. Now I'm gonna use a small brush, dress up. So I'm gonna use my almost finished Revolution Matte Base F10 and just a regular basic foundation. So Mix and Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer in C6 at LA Girl Pro in white. Just for a difference, I've been using that kind of combination lately and I like it. Alright, so the nose is gonna be the challenge because Detox knows, I mean everybody knows Detox knows. Detox nose enters the room on its own throne. So let's contour, and I'm gonna use my True Stick foundation stick. Now Detox contours up, but then goes down almost to her mouth. So kind of like that. Her cheekbones are large, but also kind of goes a little low. Now let's contour the nose, and we're gonna make it real skinny on top. It seems like her nose bridge is real skinny, and the nose just goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. I know I'm shady. I'm gonna try to make an illusion. Excuse me for the noise. There's something going on at the pool. It's a very quiet building, but they do have people at the pool sometimes yelling. So let's try to extend the nose. I'm gonna squeeze the rest of this one. White concealer. I think I'm running out, but we might as well use it up. Usually I put dark on the nose to make the nose look shorter, but I'm putting pure white to highlight that part, to make up your nose a little longer. I'm gonna use a few setting powders to make sure the light there is real light. This one is from clearance, it's Maybelline. I mean, it was like on clearance Walmart a while ago. And it's perfect for setting drag light colors. It's like nearly white, almost white. I kind of drew under my nose with a contour stick a little bit to make it appear that my nose is lower. The key here is not to make it too obvious, otherwise it's going to look like I have a dark line under my nose. But you want to make an illusion-ish that the nose is longer. I'm going to put this here as well. She's got a little bit of jowls here. So I'm gonna put the white here to highlight these areas. and set the rest with translucent powder. So talking about not baking, I still baked everywhere, just to brighten up. So I'm gonna go blend out the red, pretty much same color, same brush I used before. And I added a little bit of graphic liner here, because it seems like she had some like that there. And just to be extra, I'm gonna go back for endorphin, smoke out the lower lash line. So it's time to contour. I'm using Kimchi Chic, a tail contour in 03 chocolate. Pretty much following the lines I already drew. Dragging it down just a little bit here to create this extra line. I'm going to use my regular kimchi. I went to Miami because it's a pretty bronzer and I'm not sure what Detox uses, so just gonna go with it. Now for the blush, I'm gonna go back to Alexis Stone palette, back to this color and this color, Euphoric and Endorphin, and we're just gonna do a little blend here. I see her eyeshadow is connected with the blush, pretty much a draping technique, so just do a little draping here. Now we got a very important part, the nose contour. I'm gonna use the same contour, Kimchi, and I'm gonna start dark here, even going into the eyeshadow to make the bridge of the nose really tiny. And then I'm gonna try to make my nose look skinny but long. I know it sounds like a bunch of shade, but it's the tea. Darkening eyebrows, Profusion eye pen. I'm not sure what color it is. I think it's like dark brown or ash brown something. I think we're getting somewhere. If you squint from a distance, you won't see that it's a fake line of the nose. It's gonna look like a longer nose. I pretty much drew a dark shadow here, as if my nose was really large and charged. Anyway, let's stop shading Detox and just finish the makeup. The lips are large, of course. The lips are very plump. Some pictures are not as plump as others. I guess it's depends. I'm gonna go with red. It's like a bright orange red. Again, overdraw, of course. So for the lips, I'm gonna go with Kimchi Chic Date Night. And maybe I'll add a little bit of a head queen of charge, because it's more orange. Although I think the red one should do it. Oh yeah. It's just the right color. Now I know that Detox likes a good highlight, so I'm using Kimchi Chic holographic toppers, the lightest color. And this is going to be the last step before the eyelashes, and I'm gonna meet you in a full setup. Now I am gonna put the low lashes in a corner of all Detox makeup, because right now, like the latest pictures, I haven't seen many pictures with the low lashes, but I feel like I need to do Detox order and put those low lashes. Detox is here, I think. Well, at least we tried. I think I achieved kind of a resemblance. The makeup is from the DrugCon promo shot. Very Detox. I decided not to give you the final look with eyelashes before the wig. I decided just to give you the wig and yeah, ignore the rest of the outfit because it's not the outfit. It's actually a little skirt, like a tutu skirt. I put them just to make it a little orange because she had like a nurse white and orange earrings. So to have a little bit of resemblance, you know, because in my channel this is all fakery and this is all crafted house done boots. Okr. I've had it. Officially. Anyway, I'm not good at doing voices. I'm gonna leave you with this. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, where Fridays are always a drag. And a huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you guys so much for your support. All the links are down below. My social media patrons, Patreon. So thank you all for watching. Love you guys. I'll see you in my next fabulous video. Hunties. Bye.